guys, my name is Zhamir. I'm here to show you guys how to use a Hardwire translator. The panel choice we're using is a DSC Impassa. This here is the translator. It is the RE508X. So I'm going to show you guys here. We actually have a plug and/or transformer and the actual device. Here you see all of the terminals, starting with the power, of course. There's all the points for the zones. But the most important part is the actual instructions. This is very important, don't throw it away, because you actually might need it. So for this example, we're using the DSC Impassa. So we're actually gonna go over and select DSC, and come over here. We'll show you guys a little more when we actually get to the panel. Don't be overwhelmed by all the wires that are in the box. We're only looking for the ones that are plugged into the circuit board. There's a schematic in place to make it even easier for us to identify what we need. Our goal is to get the wires on the outside of the panel. And most panels that you'll run into, they have grooves inside of the system. If you look up here, you see a circle. And if you take like a screwdriver, kind of bang it through, although it looks solid here, that's just the paint, it'll pop right through. In this example, we actually have a hole already prepared here. So the next step is to mount the translator. So before we can actually start taking everything apart, we need to know where we're working at. The closer to the panel, the better. Based on the schematic, zone 1 is 8 and 9. So I'm only gonna mess with 8 and 9 for now. I'm gonna take out terminal 8 first, and terminal 9, and pull it through. A resistor is what this is called. On here, it's not needed for the translator. Traditionally, we use red for the actual zone and black for the common. We plug it up. Boom, shakalaka. So we just finished zone 1, right? That's 8 and 9. Next one is 10 and 11, which is zone 2. This is actually the wire for 10, and this is the wire for 11. Back through the top again. So we're gonna do this one by one like we talked about before. Same thing from last time. If you see the resistor on it, cut the resistor off. Okay, re-strip the wire. Both of the blacks go into the ground, and now it's time to actually close the terminal. And then we finish off zone 2 by pushing it into its rightful terminal. Most systems only have 8 zones inside, but I'm gonna finish this up over here, and then we'll go to the next step, learning the hardwire zones into the Impassa. This is the finished product. We actually had 6 zones to translate, so they're all wired up. I ran my power line, of course. The translator is turned to DSC. Make sure all of the doors and windows that you're using is closed. So we press and hold this button here until the noise stops. And now we know the system says configured. Let's go to the keypad and kind of play with this for a little bit. All right, so now we're in programming. We're gonna go into wireless enrollment mode. So we're going to section 898 and go to the door. With star. Now, the first zone in the hardwire system is traditionally the door, so it's zone 1, and that's all the entry doors, so we're gonna program it for an entry delay. And we're gonna go test the device to make sure that it is responding. All right, that's all there is to it. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.